Patron family ngilabo futhi abanye abavela eSouth Africa ungachazisa kabanzi ukuthi ungabe ungubani lokuthi uvela ngaphi?
Sanibonani igama lami ngozama uNkosazana, Minister Nkosazana from KZN eSouth Africa.
Wow hayi sizukuhlabelela kona okuhle. Lingabe lingasitshela nje ukuthi since libuye lihlabela licula kamnandi, so i-Great Revival yeni le elize ngayo le ingaba iyini?
Okay, i-Great Revival it's a movement ye-youth. Iqalwe youth kahle kahle.
Okay.
So it's a mission yethu ukuthi sihambise ivangeli through music.
Okay.
Because akuwonke umuntu othanda intshumayelo nokulala intshumayelo especially thina abantu abasha. And the reason why when we prefer to be happy in the house of the Lord than going outside.
Wow. Hey, babukeli njengoba lizwele, they prefer to ukudumisa uNkulunkulu in praises, in ukuhlabela. So i-Great Revival ebathi ize ngokuhlabela njengama youth njengoba sithanda ukugida imizimba sijabule, so
sigide endlini
kaNkulunkulu. So njengoba ubuye lapha eFull Gospel eZimbabwe koBulawayo, ungabe ubele experience enjani?
Anyway, it's my first time of being in Full Gospel eZimbabwe.
Wow,
it's
first
Bulawayo,
time.
right?
Yeah.
So my experience, I won't lie and say it was easy. It's my first time of being outside and ministering outside.
Wow.
So it was a great experience. Things will be there. We are human. Amaphutha will be there. Ukuthi sizokhomba ukuthi kodwa akukho konke besendlini kaNkulunkulu. I didn't even feel like I'm in Zimbabwe. It's like I'm home.
Wow.
Because mawusendlini kaNkulunkulu awusona isivakashi kodwa usekhaya.
Wow.
So I had a great experience. People are loving. Even though babuye bakhuluma into engayizwa mara ke. Yeah.
Ukhulume esingakuzwa. Maybe singakufundisa nje isishoni esincane.
Khona ingoma bengicudisa yona lapha ithini?
Teacher Noyimba Wosana.
Teacher Noyimba Wosana.
Uyishayeka kuhle.
Ngiyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga kuba lawe.
Thank
you very much.
Hope to see you guys soon.
Very
we
soon.
won't mind to come back for the Great Revival again. Full Gospel eBulawayo eMagwegwe.
Thank you
guys for having us.
Thank you very much.